Hi everyone. I started this bloom with ColourArte Peacock Feather, and because I wanted a really rich multi-dimensional color, I went through several different yellows. I started with ColourArte Sassafras, and then I moved on to TLP Harvest Gold, TLP Lemon Sorbet, and then ColourArte Sunflower, because you can't make a sunflower without a color named Sunflower. My cell activator was made with Amsterdam Oxide Black. And I'm using my mini leaf blower to blow out my bloom. My paint consistencies were a little off, and that caused a lot more white to come through than I normally would have liked. I also used too much cell activator, which caused a lot of leftover black in the center that I then had to deal with. And once I have all the petals blown out, I do not continue to go at it with the leaf blower. I find that's actually counterproductive. So I move on to using a straw tool. And if the straw tool, which is very concentrated bursts of air, does not work, I then move on to just blowing on it, because you can kind of control it a little bit better when you're up close. And that usually seems to work. I tend to run out of breath a lot faster when I'm blowing directly on it, so I try to use the straw first. Next, I moved on to my fun swirlies with my embossing tool. Now, if I had put just a little less pillow paint on this, my petals would have actually been a lot more visible as my paint spread. However, I put a bit too much pillow paint on this, and so as I spun it out, I lost all of the points that I had made with my embossing tool. I always start by making sure it's centered, or as close to centered as I can get it. That way I don't lose too much of it off the edge. It's really important that you don't just go and spin it super hard and super fast right off the bat. You want to keep a good eye on it so that you can control where it's going. Because there's nothing worse than having all of it go flying off of one side and you lose the best part of your paint. This sunflower actually took me 4 attempts to get this result. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.